Hey YouTube, this is Centurion 205 coming to you with my 2011 everyday carry setup. Starting off with a handgun, weapon of choice, Springfield XDM in 40 Smith & Wesson with a 3.8 inch barrel. Ammunition for this particular weapon, when I like to go light, the Glacier safety slugs in silver with the 115 grain shot. Oh, by the way, this particular weapon holds, can't tell if you can see that or not, 16 in 1 of the 40 Smith & Wesson. A lot of firepower. If I feel like something with a little more kick, Winchester Ranger T Series, 165 grain on that one. A little more kick. Back up to the handgun. 3 3/4 inch SOG knife. Good for cutting boxes, cutting rope, and anything else I might need to cut. Keys. Everybody keeps keys with them. And yes, I do need every single one of these things. Also, keep my blood type. Never know when you'll need it. Wallet, along with my credit card info and concealed handgun license, which I'm not going to show on YouTube. Sorry, guys. Nighttime. Need to see. Got a Smith & Wesson flashlight. Very good for seeing your way in the dark, also blinding potential would-be attackers. And last but not least, for me, you gotta keep God with you at all times. If you're religious, not a bad thing to have. So that's it. Rate, comment, don't expect any subscriptions. Let me know what you think. Please be kind.